As we are looking at dollar right now, dollar is going to 900 naira before the end of the year. Take it or leave it. So that you can know that, okay, I don't have to break the bank code. Up to 8% guaranteed annual returns. Hey beauties, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another finance video. Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about Bamboo fixed returns. I've made a couple of videos in the past where I shared with you how to get started with Bamboo, how to fund your Bamboo wallet, and basically how to make money with Bamboo. I think I made about 3 videos in the past, so I would advise that you watch that video before you continue watching this one, or you can just watch this one up until the very end and then go back to the video to watch it. All of these videos would be linked down below, so be sure to check it out, because if this is your first time of hearing about Bamboo and you do not know what Bamboo is all about, then those videos would guide you on how to start up, how to set up, and how to fund your Bamboo wallet. This is a quick disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. All of these videos are made solely for educational purposes only, and with investment I would always advise that you invest in whatever it is that you can let go. Do not say because your friend is investing $100 you have to invest $100. And trust me, most of the time when I film this kind of videos, for you to know that you necessarily don't have to go above your limit, I always try to invest with as little as $10, $5, or whatever it is that I can afford to invest at that moment. I hope you get the gist. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the Bamboo fixed investment app. But before we go right into that, okay, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you didn't catch my name is Adeshalami, and I'm a YouTuber and a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. Please ensure you subscribe to me by clicking the subscribe button down below. Also turn on post notification bell beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. Do not also forget to click on the thumbs on the like button down below. First, because it is free, and second, it helps this channel grows and it helps me to get this video recommended to other people via YouTube algorithm, if that makes sense. Now let's get right into it. Over a month ago, they rolled out a new feature on Bamboo which is called the fixed return, and I really think that feature is cool. Okay, because basically what you're doing is that you're fixing your money for a certain period of time. And the thing I like about this one is that you have a guaranteed up to 8% guaranteed annual returns. My brothers and sisters, Nigerian banks do not give you 8% guaranteed returns. Okay, I've tried it before. Okay, don't let me say I've tried it. I was close to trying it until I realized that, bro, I'm never going to make as much money I think I would make. So I just, cut it. Yeah, but with Bamboo, you tend to make up to 8% guaranteed return on whatever it is that you fix in your Bamboo account. So to do that, it is really simple. I'm just going to be sharing with you how you can actually fix your money using this Bamboo fixed return. All you need to do is go to your Bamboo application right here. Okay, so you want to go on to over here. You're going to see, like, you can scroll and you see the fixed return tab right here. You just want to basically click on invest now, and you want to click on how much it is you are going to invest. The good thing about this thing is that the minimum deposit is $1. Okay, it means that you can fix as little as $1. So all I need to do here, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be fixing $1 so that you can know that, okay, I don't have to break the bank code. The money where I get, I go invest to. Okay, so $1, and a dollar is currently 710 naira on Bamboo. Dollar is never going to depreciate. I don't know when maybe people think Nigeria is going to get better and dollar will depreciate. As we are looking at dollar right now, dollar is going to 900 naira before the end of the year. Take it or leave it. Okay, so the earlier you take advantage of all of these things, the better for you and the better for me. Okay, I don't know why in this age and generation people still think keeping their money in naira is a good thing. If you are an older person, for example my mom, I can't tell my mommy that mommy, be keeping your money in dollar. No, most of the things she does is in naira. She make a daily transaction with naira. She really doesn't have any business with dollar. But for people like you and I that have business with dollar, I mean, I'm still 26 years old, and by the grace of God, I'm going to live a very long life. Okay, so start thinking of your future and thinking of the things that you want to do. If your money keeps depreciating, my brother and sister, in the next 1 or 2 years, the 1 million naira that you think you have right now would still be 1 million naira, but you won't be able to buy as much things as you can buy now in 2 years. If you get what I'm saying, this Coke, we used to buy it for like, how much was it? I think it started with like 100 naira, and now it's been sold for like 200 naira. You know, sometimes I would even wonder, what if I had gotten like 10 packs of Coke last year, but that's not even possible. It means that our money keeps depreciating in value against dollar, because all of these things are being shipped. They say proudly Nigeria, okay, but most of the things that we use in Nigeria are being shipped. So that is why our naira is depreciating against dollar. Do you get the gist? So save your money in dollars. For me, I don't even know what people are thinking of. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be investing $1 only. So as you can see, $1, I'm going to click on done here, and over here you can see how long do you want to invest your money for, and you can either invest for 90 days, 180 days, 270 days, and 364 days. That's typically 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year. So if I want to invest just $1 for 3 months, it means I'm going to be making 4.5% per annum of my $1. But if I'm investing for 364 days, I'm going to be getting 8.00% per annum as my guaranteed annual returns. Okay, but for 90 days, I'm going to be getting 4.5% per annum as my guaranteed annual return. So I'm just going to click on 90 days, and I'm going to preview the investment. So here you see all the breakdown: amount to be invested, tenure, annual percentage yield, expected returns, cash due on maturity, start date, maturity date. Okay, so you're going to see all of this breakdown, and if it seems cool by you, you can just proceed with that. Okay, my maturity date is December 19, 2022, and trust me, this expected return is 0.01. I'm not funding my Bamboo wallet right now because I don't want to buy dollar for 701 naira, that 710 naira. No, I cannot say because I want to invest, I'm going to buy crazy dollar. Okay, but if you already have your money in dollar, you don't need to do this. If you have it in naira and you have like a whole lot of cash that you're not using right now, the last time I filmed a Bamboo video, it was like 500 and something. Okay, proceed. And here you can see where do you want to get your money from, like the payment type, from your Bamboo wallet, Nigeria mobile bank transfer, or debit or credit card. Because I have like $4 in my Bamboo wallet, I'm going to be using this one right here. But if I'm using a mobile bank transfer, I'll be charged 150 naira. And if I'm using a debit card or a credit card, I'm going to be charged 909 naira 94 kobo. So to use your card, I've made videos on that, and it's basically simple. All you need to do is input your card details, use your OTP, and they will debit you instantly. But I am doing this. I'm going to use my Bamboo wallet, and I'm going to be debited immediately. Investment successful. Your fixed returns investment of $1 for 90 days has been successfully executed. Expected return is 0.01 because I invested only $1. Okay, so that is just everything you need to know about Bamboo fixed deposit returns. I made another video where I talked about 5 reasons why you should invest in this Bamboo fixed return. That video is really detailed, and I shared with you why you should actually use this option. That's basically the simple way on how you can invest on Bamboo using their fixed deposit returns. Okay, so here you can see your investment details, how much you've earned, your expected return, the earliest maturity day, and the farthest maturity day. You can also fix more than one. So if you want to fix another one, all you need to do is click on $1 again if it is $1 you want to fix, and you follow the whole process. So if this is for a year and I'm investing $1, I'm going to be making 0.08 as my return. Okay, so let's proceed from here. investment successful. So it means I can have more than one investment from this fixed returns. So if I click on my investments breakdown, how much I've earned because I just invested today, this is how much I'm expecting, and this is my earliest maturity date, this is my farthest maturity date. So I hope you understand how it is that you can invest using Bamboo fixed return. We've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. First, because it is free, and second, it helps other people discover this channel right now, right here. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay fabulous. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi...